Hello, I'm Clint Bigelow again. Okay, I'm taking you to my car that I'm going to install my drive system in. Basically, it's a piece of junk. Hopefully I breathe new life into it. Alright, what we've got here, we've taken the engine apart, taken it out per se. Now, so you see that. Okay, let's come over here and take a look. We've got a hole in this car. Alright, that is a transmission. It's mounted in here sideways with the shaft coming out. We're going to leave all that together. That's going to be the clutch system. That's automated and that's doing a good job, so we're going to go ahead and leave that. Here's your clutch components. I'm going to reinstall that. I'm going to leave the clutch as is. The next part that this mates to is the flywheel, which I just showed you on the other video I've made. We're going to take the flywheel, put a plate to the back side of it, the shaft, and the drive system. So it's fairly simple. It's a hydraulic system that turns a specially designed gear that turns all these components. So you've got the before picture. Now the after picture is going to probably be my son going up and down the road in this car with a hydraulic system turning a drive system with no pollution whatsoever. The 3,000 pound hydraulic system requires 4 amps to power up the pump. So that's very doable. The shaft is going to have a pulley on it that is going to turn your alternator to give you the power. It's going to turn the pump to give you the pressure. Alright, and that's in a nutshell how it works. Okay, you can see the engine that's laid off to the side. Alright, here's the back side where the flywheel engages. So I'm going to put the flywheel on it. The plate I'm going to weld, the shaft, the drive unit, and also the pulley system to give you power and the pressure from the hydraulics. So initially, basically what I'm going to do is use a starter. I'm going to engage it into the transmission, hook the power to it, and turn the flywheel. And as it turns, that's going to give you the power and the pumping action to get your mainline hydraulic system to come online. And it'll take off, powering your car as you would expect with just the system. Eventually I'd like to go to a pressurized contained system where the system will press it up. When you hit a solenoid, it'll turn the entire drive unit, and that'll get it going until the mainline system can come on board. Since the system is going to be full of hydraulic fluid continuously, that'll be a very rapid process, kind of like your car right now. You'll go to start it, and very quickly the car is going to fire up, and that's what I'd like to do. Now, the evolution of this, I'm going to finally put a PLC control module on it to control it, pretty much like industrial equipment, things like that. We're going to basically have it timed out and controlled automatically, and it's going to give you a little display that you can see any problems. It's going to be far, far simpler than a car, much more dependable, and the bottom line is going to be pollution free. And I think that's very, very important that we study on these alternative ways of doing business, and that's important. And I hope to drive at home. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you very much.